Hello, good morning everyone. I'll be to Dr. Shumpe. So this is my slide presentation of one phylum, which is phylum Cnidaria. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Shahril Hafiz bin Shuhimi. My matric number is S50416. The subject here is Bioinvertebrate Aquatic 2, FIS 3104. Okay. So for basic characteristics of Cnidarians, all Cnidaria are aquatic, mostly marine organisms. They all have tentacle with stinging cells called nematocysts that they use to capture food. Cnidarians only have two body layers, the ectoderm and endoderm, separated by a jelly-like called the mesoglea here. So most Cnidarians have a radial symmetry. Most Cnidarians have complicated reproductive cycles that include an actual stage and sexual stage. They can do the reproduction. Some Cnidarians are completely mobile, with others are completely sessile, but most have both mobile medusa and sessile polyp stage in their life cycle. So for their body form, there are two types of polyps and medusa. The tentacles, gastrovascular cavity, gastrodermis, mesoglea, epidermis are contained in both body. The difference is the tentacles for the polyp is at the top, but for the medusa the tentacles are at the bottom. So for the polyps, tubular body with the mouth directed upward. Around the mouth are a hole of feeding tentacles here. Only have a small amount of mesoglea and sessile, which means they are not moving. They are sticks to attached to one piece only. So for medusa, bell shapes or umbrella shaped body with the mouth is directed downward here. Small tentacles directed downwards. Also here, this one tentacles. Possess a large amount of mesoglea. Motile, move by weight contraction of the body, which means they are moving, not like. So I'm highlighting here for the polyp and medusa because of the next page is the about nerve system. So the nerve system for the Cnidarians, I take example of Hydra. You can see the whole body are full with the nerve net. Okay. The Cnidaria nervous system is simple. They have no brains, but they have nerve nets, called as plexus, which are made of sensory neurons. These neurons react to different stimuli with signal that cause other neurons to send other signal, like motor neuron that contract muscles. These cilia found in the neurons detect physical contact. This system of red-like neurons are necessary for organism coordination, movement, and reactions to certain orders that are vital for survival. Okay, you can see here nerve nets, or we call it as plexus. So for the nutrition, how Cnidarians capturing prey. Okay. First, Cnidarians are carnivorous. Tentacles are used to capture foods, trigger the nematocysts to be expelled. The nematocysts sting the prey at the spine and trap food with the filaments. You can see here. Trap food with the mucus found at mouth and tentacles. The gastrovascular cavity exists as one opening for food intake and the elimination of waste. Okay, this is the nematocysts and this is the cnidocytes. I'm highlighting here because we are going deeper after this. As I said just before, this is the poisonous part, cnidocytes and nematocysts. Okay, first the cnidocytes is a thread cell and explosive cell containing nematocytes used for defense and capture prey. As you can see here, middle sides. So for nematocysts, is a poison-filled sting structure that contains a tightly coiled dart, a small but powerful harpoon unique to the phylum. This one push outward so explosively that it can penetrate even a hard shell of a crab. See how they got the strength to penetrate a hard shell of a crab. So next is the reproduction. There are two types of reproduction that can be done by this Cnidaria. First is asexual and also sexual. From the polyps, asexual to ephira, becoming elder medusa, and then asexual again, and then back to the sexual, becoming planula, and then go up to polyp. This is the cycle for the reproduction. So demorphic life cycle. Here you can see how this species release its buds, becoming the medusa, ovary, relay eggs, becoming zygote, and the sperm, sexual reproduction, and they grow up in mitosis and meiosis, growing up to blastula, free-swimming planula larvae, and then settle down to start a new colony. They grow up again, become a polyp, and then settle. Keep going. So, Cnidarian taxonomy. So, there are 4 types of Cnidaria. 4 class: Anthozoa, Hydrozoa, Cyphozoa, Cubozoa. So, first, Anthozoa. Grow as polyps, no medusa stage. Many species are colonial, composed of many individual polyps. Sexual reproduce by producing free-swimming larvae. The swimming larvae attach to rods and then polyp form. Mutual relationship with the zooxanthellae in gastrodermis. For Hydrozoa, most vary and reef of the Cnidarian group. Most have typical dimorphic life cycle. Colonial species common. The polyps of most hydrozoans grow in branching colonies that sometimes extend more than a meter. With a colony, the polyps are specialized to perform different functions. So imagine how unique is hydrozoa. And then the Cyphozoa, typical of as jellyfish. Most likely that they are most likely jellyfish. Most have typical dimorphic life cycle. Polyp stage is atypical. A majority of life cycle spent in medusa form. And lastly is Cubozoa. Cubozoa life cycle with both polyp and medusa. They can grow up both. Medusa is dominate. Okay. So here is a bit example of each class. Anthozoa, you can see here the polyp form, and Cyphozoa, the jellyfish form. Hydrozoa, okay, nowadays we know this become a famous things and viral because the Portuguese man Owa came to Malaysia, and they were found in with so many at the seashore. And lastly is the Cubozoa. So here it's picture of each class. Okay, I think that's all for me for the phylum Cnidaria. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.